Installation of indoor unit. And now, let's begin with the installation of indoor unit. Always perform installation works in a well-ventilated environment. To begin installation of indoor unit, place the installation plate onto the wall where the indoor unit's location is desired. Insert a screw in the middle of the installation plate and screw loosely. Put a level gauge on top of the installation plate to ensure the plate is well balanced. Make sure the bubble at the level gauge is at the center of the measuring dimension. For better drainage purpose, it is suggested to tilt down the installation plate approximately 2 mm downwards to the drainage hole. Next, tighten the middle screw and fasten the remaining 4 screws to ensure that the installation plate is firmly in place and well secured. Draw a vertical line down from the edge of the installation plate. Next, draw a horizontal line to the right from the right-pointed arrow on the installation plate. Note its intersection point. At these intersection points, you will need to drill a 70 mm diameter hole where the root of the piping will be fixed. Please note that drilling should be done slanting downwards. The indoor-outdoor unit connecting wire should be connected to indoor unit first for easier procedures. To begin, the front grille should be opened. Remove the screw located at the control box cover to lift up the control box cover. Remove the clamper screw and the clamper itself. The wire is then pushed from the rear side of indoor unit into the groove of the control box until its tip emerges out the front side of the control box. The wire measurements should be as shown. Pull out the wires from the groove and connect them to the 3 terminals as shown. Please note that all wires should be connected to its respective terminals of the outdoor unit based on the color indications. The earth wire has to be connected at all costs to avoid any electrical shock due to current leakage. After all wires are connected to the terminals, it is recommended to double confirm wire connectivity at each point. Apply a soft pulling force at each wire to confirm this. Finally, clamp the whole wire with a clamper provided properly as shown to protect wire slipping due to accidental pulling force. The wiring on the indoor unit is now completed.